Craps is one of my favourite games on the casino floor. It's fast-paced, fun, social, and there's action on every roll. But craps tables are rapidly disappearing from casinos across the world, and it can be almost impossible to find a game in some countries. But I'll share the solution and why in many cases online craps is better. Online craps is often the only way to enjoy craps at all, so if you want to give the game a shot, online casinos are your best bet. This video will serve as your comprehensive guide on how to play craps online. We'll run through the main ways you play craps at online casinos and the benefits and drawbacks of playing through a screen. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
Before you even start playing, you should know that there are two main ways you'll end up playing craps online. The first is the classic digital version of craps. This is a straightforward adaptation. You use a virtual craps table to place your bets and hit the roll button to start the round. Gameplay is streamlined, and you don't have to wait for other players to make bets or for the shooter to take their turn. It's very much a single player game, so don't expect the same social experience you get from a regular craps table, but it means you can play at your own pace without worrying about what anyone else is doing. There's a lot of people that prefer to stay away from this digital version, as the random number generator decides what the outcome of the dice is, rather than seeing the dice roll with your own eyes. That's where the second option comes in. The other way you can play is live craps. Live craps is a type of live dealer game. These are games played through a live stream with a human dealer hosting over the camera and participants interacting with it in real time through a digital interface. Live dealer games are known for bringing players a little closer to the in-person casino experience, and live craps is no different. While it doesn't quite recreate the glamour and excitement of a physical craps table, it reintroduces the social aspect, slows the game down a little, and lets you communicate with a croupier instead of a program. The main difference is that most live craps tables use a mechanical arm to roll the dice in place of the shooter to keep the outcomes random. So now that you know what you're up against, how do you actually play online? There are some prominent differences between the on and offline versions of craps. First, the betting layout for online craps is generally identical to a regular craps table, but what's great about online craps is that on the majority of tables they have an easy mode, meaning the advanced bets are hidden and you can simply focus on the most popular bets, which are usually the best in terms of lower house edge. Online, the craps betting interface is easy to navigate. First, you'll need to choose what denominations you're going to bet in, then just click on the betting spread where you want to place your chips. Most online craps games will even give you odds and payouts as you scroll over the different bets. When you're ready, just hit the roll button to start the round. If you're playing live craps, the betting windows are usually timed to keep play from stagnating. Then as the games progress, you place bets and let the game flow as it normally would. So playing online is similar, but the barrier of the screen adds a certain distance to the gameplay. But this shouldn't stop you from playing online, as there are plenty of benefits to choosing an online craps table over a physical one. The most obvious is just that they're easier to find. As I've mentioned, craps is disappearing from casinos, and even if you want to play in person, there's no guarantee you'll find a table, and that's without taking your budget into account. Most in-person craps tables you find are also high roller tables, reserved for the exclusive areas in the back of the casino. If you want to play craps in person, you could be dealing with minimum bets starting at $10, and in some places it's significantly more. On the other hand, online craps can have a much lower minimum bet, even lower than the standard $5. Depending on the online casino you play at, you could make craps bets for as little as $1. Playing with small stakes is obviously great for budget players, but it's even better if you're new to the game. You can experiment and learn how to play with a budget of just $10. And if you make any mistakes, it's not a big deal when the bets are so small. If you're looking for an online craps table best suited for your budget, you'll definitely benefit from taking my quick 2-minute quiz using the link in the description. I've spent months finding the best craps tables all around the world, so just let me know where you live and your budget and I'll point you in the right direction. Another great advantage to playing online craps is that beginners can practice without judgment. Yes, the social aspect of craps is one of its biggest appeals, but that can swing the other way too. It's a public game, and if you hold up the table, if you shoot poorly, even if you bet against the shooter, you can be met with friction, and that's just not a great way to learn. This is also a benefit for players who prefer to bet against the table. No one wants to be winning while the shooter and everyone who bet with them is losing. You're going to receive a lot of stink eyes. When you're at home playing a game with no assigned shooter, no one's around to care how you choose to bet, so you can bet according to odds and strategy rather than social etiquette. An online craps table also comes with plenty of aids. The online interface automatically displays odds and payouts to show you how much you stand to lose and win on any given bet. This is a fantastic feature when it comes to craps, as the payouts can often be difficult to calculate by yourself. And to top top it all off, online craps has the universal benefit of online gambling, which is convenience. Play anywhere, at any time, all according to your schedule. Location and proximity to a casino don't need to stand in your way when you want to play a game or two. So obviously, there are plenty of benefits to playing craps online, but it isn't quite that simple. There are also a couple of disadvantages. Namely, there's the social aspect. For many, it's a stressor, but craps just isn't the same without other players. Classic craps is an inherently social game. The dice are thrown by a player, and you all bet on or against that real person. For many players, this is the point of playing craps in the first place. The energy and atmosphere of the table are also impossible to properly recreate through a screen. Sure, live craps lets you chat with other players and the croupier, but it doesn't have the same buzz. As for the gameplay itself, I've mentioned that online craps is often faster paced, but that speed can become too fast for many players. This is why others prefer to opt for the digital version, where you can play completely at your own pace. When played in person, craps is the pinnacle of the casino experience. Excellent atmosphere, a great house edge, and fast-paced, exciting gameplay. And these are elements you just can't recreate online, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't play online. For some players, like beginners and budget gamblers, it's the preferred choice. It doesn't have the social pressure, and you can bet at whatever stakes you like. If you're used to the in-person version, online craps might feel a little less exciting, but it does come with a solid set of benefits. So now, I assume you're ready to play online craps. Make sure you find the best option for you by heading on into the description of this video to find my Casino Matchmaker quiz. Just answer a few questions and I'll pair you up with the best online casino based on your preferences and location. As always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.